Look at this drill head. This is an AutoDrill head. It's got 6 spindles. This is ER25 with close center to centers. This guy's doing 13/32 holes. And this baby right here is pretty massive. This is cool. So here's the wrench that's going to go on this baby to tighten these things up. So this thing's going to be driven by a machine that's going to drive a drive tang in the back. And this is all rotating the same direction. So if I turn that drive tang, you'll see this is drilling all in the same direction due to some idler gears that are in there. And this thing is just so heavy duty. This will do up to 16mm or 5/8 inch holes in steel. And so this customer wanted to do 6 holes at a time on that pattern with his CNC machine. And we said, hey, listen, we can save you a lot of money. You don't need to use your super expensive CNC machine to do 6 holes. We can do this thing on a drill press. We can do it on an AutoDrill self-stroking unit, on a Bridgeport. We can just save you tons and tons of time. And so why would you put a process doing 6 simple drilled holes on a CNC machine when you can do them all at once with a simple single stroke? Give us a ring, 800-871-5022. AutoDrill.com is our website. We would love to make a head for your pattern. And just to give you an idea, hopefully we've got some others over here. Here's one over here. This one's old. It's in for just a refurbish. It's been running for millions and millions of strokes. We can do 4 holes. We can do 6 holes. We can do 35 holes. We can do whatever you need to do. You just let us know. We will free up your CNC machine to make the big money on those complicated jobs and take the simple drilling, tapping, reaming, hole processing jobs off that process and into a very simple setup where we're just turning, drilling, stroking, doing what you need to do. Don't bother using your CNC for simple processes. Build a dedicated station for those parts that you're making hundreds of thousands or millions of parts of. Let us save you some money. Give us a ring, give us a call, get on the website, do whatever you need to do, shoot us an email. We'd love to help you.